Hi, I'm Ehsan Bahrami. Welcome to this video. By watching this video, you won't just start learning Python because others says it's great. You will have your own reasons which will definitely help keep you motivated in the long run. In this session, we'll dive deeper into Python as a programming language. First, we'll talk about what programming is and why it's beneficial to learn it. Then we'll get into why Python in particular is worth your time. Before we get started, I recommended subscribing the channel and hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so you don't miss any new uploads. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and leave a comment. It really helps keep me motivated. To get a better understanding of Python, let's start tackle the frequently asked question. What is programming? It's a question many people are asking these days. To communicate with any group, you need to know their language. For example, if you want to talk to a group in France, you need to know French. Similarly, to communicate with a computer, you need to know a programming language. This lets you express your instruction and get the desired output, ultimately becoming a programmer. And when I say computer, I'm not just talking about desktop PC. It could be your smartphone, the laptop on your desk, or even the washing machine in your kitchen. So far, with this explanation, we've got a general idea of what programming is. Now you might be wondering why there is so much hype around learning programming these days. There are reasons why people are eager to learn programming, such as learning a valuable and widely applicable skill, earning a good income, the ability to work remotely, opportunities for migration, a passion for problem solving, a love for computer and technology, and countless other reasons that we could talk about for hours. Given everything we've discussed so far, we can now get into Python itself a bit better. Python is a well-known and widely used scripting language that was created in 1991. Today, it's one of the most popular languages in the programming world. It's a general-purpose language, meaning it's used in many different fields. For example, writing websites and web apps, machine learning, automating repetitive tasks, connecting to databases, artificial intelligence, data science, and much more. Now that we've gotten familiar with Python and we know that there are many other programming languages out there, you might wonder why should you choose Python? What make it one of the most popular languages? If we highlighted the main reasons, they would be simple, human-like syntax, easy to learn, compatibility with most systems, a large supportive community, a vast number of tools, libraries, and frameworks for different purposes. In this video, I've tried to avoid creating a long, repetitive piece of content that you can easily find elsewhere on the internet. Instead, I focus on providing you with the most important theoretical aspects in a conscious way so you can quickly grasp the core ideas and get ready to jump into practical Python tutorials in the upcoming videos. If you watched this video to the end, you now know what Python is and why it's worth learning. Thank you for sticking with me in this video. If you want to give me some motivation to keep creating more content, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, set it to all, and drop a like and a comment. I really appreciate your feedback, and I'll do my best to read and respond to your comments. Until the next video, take care.